Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. It is quite a special video today because I have right here next to me a Y2K clothing mystery box, which I am so excited to unbox with you guys today. It's definitely been a while since I've ordered a mystery box, but I know you guys love them and I do too, obviously. And this one was actually made for me by a very sweet subscriber. Her name is Rezi and her small business, which is Riley Freya. I will make sure to link it below and put it on the screen here. So she basically sells Y2K vintage clothing and she does make mystery bundles, so definitely check her out. But when she reached out to me, I saw her Instagram and I knew I immediately had to get one. And the process was actually so smooth. She just sent me a form to fill out before she curated my box, basically for me to tell her what I like, what I don't like, give her my inspo, my sizes, etc. So in this form, I also attached my fall winter Pinterest board for inspo. We can take a look here. And one of the main questions on the form was describe the style you're hoping to achieve with your bundle. Think the era, the mood, the silhouettes, the textures. Tell me the aesthetic you want to step into. So I basically said, cool and cozy Y2K it girl, dresses casually on a day-to-day basis, but knows how to step out and dress up for the right occasion. All right, now that you guys have a good understanding of what I wanted in this box, let's dive into it, shall we? And just to be transparent, the bundle was $150 for 10 pieces. She also provided a whole Google Slides presentation on how to style everything, but she said do not open this until you open your bundle. So we will look at that at the end when we try everything on. But let's go ahead and dig in. This box is actually so heavy. Ooh. As always, I will give you guys the first peek. Tell me what you see. How does it look? Okay, here we go. First piece feels like a bag, maybe. I feel the handle. Oh, cute. Right off the bat, we have a 2000s Victoria's Secret, almost like a duffel bag. This is literally ginormous, but I feel like this is so perfect because I actually don't have a bag this size. So this would be really good for like weekend trips or like a carry-on bag or literally anything like that. And I love the pink and white stripes. I feel like that's so reminiscent of like the early Victoria's Secret days when they were truly so iconic. It's like actually in brand new condition too. And literally, this is so weird, but right when I opened it, everything smelled so good. Here's the close-up, and then it's got the canvas straps too. This would be cute as like a beach bag too. Okay, moving on. I'm so excited, but also nervous. Ooh, wait, this is cute. I literally pinned something exactly like this. It's a vintage, almost like heather gray peacoat, but I love that it's like a sweater material. And then it's got the hood on the back. Cute little stitching detail. Here is the tag and the brand. It actually feels so comfy. This with some like tighter jeans and the Uggs over, like yes, absolutely. All right, next up. Oh, this is good. This is really good. I actually have a blue one like this. It's very similar, but I love this dark green color. It's like a fold over zip up sweater. This style is always super flattering. Like it really just like snatches you, and then it's got the really tight sleeves, but they kind of flare out. There's no brand or anything, I think, on this one. Oh, maybe there is. Attitude makes style is what the tag says. I just feel like this silhouette is so good. It's gonna make me look like the ultimate cool girl, and we love that. This is so fun, you guys. I wish I could open a mystery box every week, honestly. Like this is so fun. Okay, I like to guess. Shorts? Skirt? Stop. Stop. These are so freaking cute. Are you kidding me? Vintage bongo. Camo print mini shorts. I love that the camo print's kind of like subtle, like it's very light. These are cute. I hope these fit. Again, this is definitely something that I pinned on Pinterest for sure. Really into the like tiny, almost like micro shorts these days too. I feel like even in the fall and winter, like you could put tights under them with like some leg warmers and it's still really cute. So can't wait to wear these. All right, next. Ooh, let's get this big one. Is it a sweater? Stop. Stop it right now. Yes! This is like exactly the vibe I was wanting. Victoria's Secret pink, almost like collegiate style, sporty sweatshirt. This is gonna be perfect for that like oversized slouchy look. I can wear it off the shoulder. It's super long. Very cute. Of course, I love the pink and black combo too. Love the letters too. They look like chalk up close. Wait, it's got front pockets too. Love, love, love. This might be my favorite thing so far. Okay. Oh, I feel a tag. Is it a skirt? You guys. This is so adorable. Wait, I love the gray and pink plaid. Also this silhouette too, it's kind of like the drop waist with the pleated bottom. This is so cute. Vintage. Tracy Evans is the brand. Wait, these two together? I bet you that's what she was thinking because they were like on top of each other. Oh, this one is just 10 out of 10. We love a good plaid mini skirt here, okay? All right. I'm having so much fun. I love this. I hope you guys do too. Oh, yes. Yes. Immediately, yes. You guys, I literally pinned something exactly like this. Are you kidding me? Vintage Calvin Klein, black and gray striped little hooded sweater. I'm so into this style right now. The longer fitted, almost like Henley top, but this one doesn't have the buttons. It has like a crossover front with the drawstring hood. Cute. I love this. And then it's got the like chunky, super long sleeve. Oh, cute. And then it has Calvin Klein printed on the side. That's cute. That's cute. Oh, I love that. Alrighty, let's move on. I think these might be pants. Oh my gosh, American Eagle gray cargo pants. Again, I bet you she's gonna want me to style these together. I can see the vision already, okay? We have the cargo pockets on the side. I think you can adjust the leg too. There's like a drawstring down there so you can make them tighter or more loose fit. I feel like these are gonna fit me so good too. I can just already tell. Nice little comfy casual vibe, but still really cool. Okay, I think we are approaching the end, sadly. I think there's two more. Oh my God, so cute. Wait. I love this green color too. It's like a really pretty sage green, high neck zip up. Nice little sporty vibe. Oh, that's cute. It's got like ribbed panels on the side. I hope you can see. It's got the front pockets. I think I said this, but the high neck. This is very 90s. I like this. This is the last thing. Oh no, I'm scared. Jeans. Oh, very cute. Some low-rise jeans. Dead stock, brand new with the tag too. Oh my gosh. These look super vintage. Red camel premium denim. Ooh, skinny low-rise, sits below the waist. Ooh, the back pockets are cute. Love the stitching on them. It's got the little brand tab there. I feel like these are gonna be so ultra low rise on me, but that's good. That's like exactly what I was wanting. You can tell just like when I hold them up, like the front goes like downwards. Love these. I can't believe they're new with the tag. Crazy. All right, well, she killed it, obviously. Let's go ahead and try everything on and see it styled based on her suggestions. All right, so she did give me some sample outfit ideas here and here. And she also left me a voice note going through each piece and how I should style it. So for the first outfit, we have the oversized Victoria's Secret sweatshirt. She said she was so excited when she found this and she thought it would be perfect for me. She did ask me if I'd be okay with an oversized top or sweatshirt, and I did say yes. So I feel like this is perfect. It's very much my style, comfy but cute. And I did actually have a lot of like off the shoulder type silhouettes on my Pinterest board, as well as old Victoria's Secret stuff. So she nailed that. And then I did pair this with the gray and pink plaid mini skirt based on her suggestion. I feel like these two go perfectly together. This is very much something I would wear, and I feel like this is the most me outfit out of the whole mystery box. So 10 out of 10. It's honestly just like a cute Y2K inspired preppy moment. I don't know why this is kind of giving Avril Lavigne to me. Like maybe it's just the pink and black. One thing I will say is that the skirt was a little bit long for my liking when I did wear it low rise. So I just rolled it up a little bit and I feel like it's perfect, especially with like a longer sweatshirt like this. So yeah, I do think these are really cute together. Next up, we have the vintage gray peacoat hoodie. This is crazy identical to one on my Pinterest board. And she said she was getting kind of like Elena Gilbert meets Regina George, 2000s to 2010s from my Pinterest board. So I feel like this jacket definitely meets that description. It does look like it used to have a belt attached to it. So maybe I can find one that goes with this because I feel like it'd be so cute with the belt and kind of like snatch the waist a little bit since it is a little bit more boxy. But I do really like it. It is really comfortable, really warm, and overall the vibe I was wanting. So honestly, I feel like this coat would be really cute with the gray plaid skirt from earlier and the low-rise dark wash jeans. So I would definitely style this with those pieces as well. She did suggest to style them with the camo mini shorts, which was kind of cute to be honest. I really didn't think these two would work well together, but they surprisingly do. She said she knew I loved camo and low-rise. She thought that these could go with pretty much anything in the bundle or just like a plain white t-shirt and some fun accessories. I actually did have a lot of camo bottoms pinned pinned on my Pinterest too, which I realized after I went back and looked at my Pinterest board. Like, I didn't ask for camo, but she kind of just knew. But yeah, I do love these. Like I said, I like that they're like a really light camo print, which is why I feel like it works well with this outfit. And then I did pair this outfit with just some fun accessories. I have my fur trim boots, a little Y2K hat, and then a tan bag to match the boots. Next up, we have the olive green off the shoulder zip up sweater paired with the American Eagle gray cargo pants. She did tell me that these pants were more mid-rise, but they are like really baggy on me, so I definitely can wear them more low-rise with a belt, which I really like. They fit great. And then, like I said, we paired them with the olive green zip-up sweater. I love the sleeves on this. They have like really big slits on them, and they're kind of like overly long, which I really like. But yeah, I feel like this outfit is very much channeling cool girl energy. I added some fun accessories as well, just my Harley Davidson hat, some silver jewelry, and then this really cute star bag. Oh, and this belt. But yeah, this is really cute. She also suggested that I can wear these pants with the striped Calvin Klein top, so let's try that. Okay, this is pretty cute. The top fits me great, actually. I just don't know if this outfit is a little too boyish for me, so I kind of want to try on this top with the low-rise jeans that she sent me, so let's do that. This is better, I think. You guys, you know what's crazy? This top is actually an exact replica of one on my Pinterest board. Literally insane. And it's funny because I had multiple pinned like this. Now, the jeans, unfortunately, I feel like don't fit me the best. I have them like pinched in the back a little bit right now. They are a little bit loose like in the top area here. I just feel like they look a little bit awkward on me, but I'm thinking if I put a belt on, it'll make them fit a little bit better. So, but yeah, I do really like the wash and the stitching on them. Sadly, just not in love with the fit on me. Honestly though, like I'm just really picky with the way jeans fit me. But anyways, I do really love this top. I feel like it'll be really cute with like any dark wash jeans too. So thumbs up. Okay, and last but not least is the green zip up sweater. This is cute too. It is kind of plain, but I feel like it's a nice basic and can be styled a bunch of different ways. This is giving more like 90s to me. And I didn't notice this. It has a cute little pocket on the arm here. Love that. And I love the color too. I've been finding a lot of stuff in this color lately, and I feel like it's a good color on me, so love that. And then I just paired them with the dark wash jeans again. Yay! But yeah, overall, satisfied with this mystery box and the whole process in general. Again, shout out to Rezi for putting this together for me. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite piece from the mystery box was. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok to see more of my everyday life, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!